Step 1. Go to More, Buy Crypto, and choose Global Bank Transfer. Step 2. Fill in the amount of money you want to deposit and click Buy Now. Step 3. Open your bank app and choose Bank Transfer. Fill in the info of MEXC. Step 4. Once you've sent the money, press I've paid. Go to Wallet and press Fiat. The moment your money transfer is approved, the funds will be in your account within 0 to 2 working days. Step 5. Once your money is in your account, press Transfer and move your funds from Fiat to Spot. Now you can start buying coins.